All cleaning activities shown on this channel are purposes only. Always follow safety guidelines and product instructions when cleaning. Results may vary depending on materials and cleaning products you use.
Hello, my hungry admirers. Sophie here to prove that even kitchen cleaning can become a feast for the senses. That special link. The way this crimson lace peignoir floats around my body should be considered a masterpiece of culinary seduction. As I glide the sponge across the cool countertop, the translucent fabric parts like theater curtains with every movement, revealing glimpses of the daring black lace beneath. Watch how the delicate red patterns trace shadows across my skin when I stretch to reach the upper cabinets, the hem dancing around my thighs like rose petals in a breeze. Each circular motion makes the delicate sleeves slip from my shoulders, exposing the elegant curve of my neck as I tend to this temple of domesticity. When I bend to wipe the lower cabinets, the peignoir falls open, creating a breathtaking frame of black lace and pale skin against the polished stone. The scent of lemon cleaner mixes with my dark cherry perfume, creating an intoxicating cloud that follows my every move. I catch your gaze in the reflective surface and slowly trail my damp sponge along my collarbone, watching your reaction as the cool moisture makes the red lace cling to my skin in the most tantalizing way. The way the kitchen lights catch the delicate fabric creates a living masterpiece of crimson and shadow that I know you can't stop admiring. This is just surface cleaning, my darlings. For the deep scrub experience, you know exactly where to find